This structure was designed to last 100 years. Water only needs one crack. Concrete feels permanent, solid, heavy, unbreakable. So how does something soft destroy it? We build cities out of concrete because it feels invincible. Sidewalks, bridges, foundations, highways. It holds skyscrapers. It carries thousands of tons. But concrete has a weakness. It looks solid. It isn't. Under a microscope, concrete is full of tiny pores, tiny air pockets, tiny pathways, and water is patient. It starts small. A hairline crack forms from pressure, heat, or stress. You barely notice it. Rain falls. Water seeps in. Nothing dramatic happens at first. That is the deception, because water does not attack all at once. It waits. In cold climates, water enters the crack and freezes. When water freezes, it expands. About 9%. That may not sound like much, but inside a confined crack, it becomes enormous pressure. Over and over again. Freeze, expand, thaw, repeat. Each cycle pushes the concrete slightly farther apart. A crack becomes a fracture becomes failure. But the damage does not stop at the surface. Inside most concrete structures is steel rebar. Steel gives concrete its strength, but steel has its own weakness. Water reaches the rebar. Oxygen joins it. Rust begins, and rust expands. As steel corrodes, it swells outward, forcing the surrounding concrete to crack from the inside. The structure begins breaking itself apart, not from impact, from moisture. Even without freezing, water never stops working. It dissolves minerals. It carries away tiny particles. It slips into microscopic spaces, drop by drop, year after year. What feels solid is slowly rearranged at a molecular level. Water does not need force. It uses time. Then something changes. The cracks widen. Moisture lingers longer. Dirt collects. Dust settles. And suddenly, life finds an opening. Moss appears first. It thrives in damp, rough surfaces. It anchors to weakened concrete. It traps more moisture, which creates more decay, which creates more habitat. Small plants follow. Then roots. Roots follow water. They push deeper. They widen cracks further. What water started, life continues. A sidewalk becomes fragmented. A foundation weakens. An abandoned structure softens. Concrete resists. Water waits. Nature expands. Over time, what was engineered to dominate the landscape becomes soil. What was rigid becomes organic. What was permanent becomes temporary. Concrete feels strong. Water feels soft, but strength without patience is fragile. Water does not rush. It persists. And in the end, water always wins.